Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Really quick, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's got hindsight and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, raw look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value here in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, I'm watching 205.50 here on Tesla, if it wants to come into play. So 205.50, even 205.65. Market just opened. So I'll go ahead and pause for now. But yeah, watching 205.65 if it wants to come into play. Okay, maybe it's going to come into play here. Potentially. Again, this is live, so I apologize if nothing happens. But again, I don't know what's coming next, so I'd rather err on the side of caution. In at 205.83, kind of jumped the gun a bit here. But let's see if this does indeed want to come down through that trend line there. Or in this case, is it going to bounce just right off of it? We'll see if it wants to come back down. And I got to get out. So not a great start there. Like I said, I didn't wait for 205. I mean, I got somewhat close. Yeah, 205.69. So I, technically speaking, yes, I did jump the gun. And it ended up costing me. May very well still come back down, but yeah, and that one, that ultimately, that caught me. So look at it come back down now. Let me, in fact, let me get this screenshot. I want to send this to, get this post in the chat room because I think this is a very good setup here. Just a little 1 minute. There we go. And look at that. All the way back down it goes. Going to try for some at a back test of 206. Did I not get filled there? No. Oh, that's painful. Oh, that's... Yeah, hindsight, I should have just held and hoped, but I mean, at some point you got to cut those losses. $231, actually quite interesting here. On Nvidia. 231. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, maybe 231 coming into play. In at 231.20. So let's see if we can get the breakdown here through 231. Need some momentum though to kick in. Doesn't want to let go. I'll go ahead and pause and I'll keep you updated. Okay, maybe going to try to let go. This 230.90 area being very, very stubborn. And 230.90 seems to be that very, very stubborn level right now. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm coming back down maybe. Okay, once again, can it push down through that area? Okay, there we got a bit of a break. See it come down some more. And out there for, oh no! I didn't change that, did I? That was supposed to be not my entire size. That was just supposed to be to take some off the table. And look at Tesla. This, well, for those of you wondering, hey Clay, how does the chat room work? There's the image that I posted in the chat room. And now look at it. So for any of you members that took that alert, a big congratulations to you. I missed it. Remember, I was trying to get in at 206, trying to play that back test, and it did not happen. And then look at that. Isn't that just a shame? Oh, like I said, I anticipated it, but just the timing was off. Oh, so close, but yet so far away. And that, again, that's just how it goes sometimes as traders. Because I get it. Right now, I look really stupid. I'm aware, but what happens if this bounce had been a true bounce and it came up there, blasted through there, and kept ripping and roaring in the opposite direction? I would look really stupid in the sense of, wow, Clay, you could have had a controlled loss, but instead, look at this, loss has become massive, right? That's the side of the brain that, in my mind right now, wants to be blocked out. I don't want to remind myself of that because I just want to sit here and say, Clay, you just should have been undisciplined. But yeah, that's easy to say now with hindsight in my favor. But at that time, when the chart was looking like this and, you know, bouncing very nicely off that trend line, it's just, you know, what if that breakout was that much, you know, bigger and kept bouncing and bouncing and bouncing? That loss would have been so much bigger. But, you know, as it turns out, it didn't work out that way. And you know, that's just, you know, sometimes how it goes. But you know, that's just nature of the market. And then with NVIDIA, yeah, I don't know how much lower NVIDIA actually went. So maybe in some senses I kind of lucked out there. It went, I could have picked up a bit more. Not a whole lot. So I guess not an absolutely disastrous mistake, but I am interested though now. 231. 231. Let's just go to 231.50. Tesla low now looking pretty interesting on the bounce back up. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. But yes, I am now up $136. So starting off down 340, but got the trade there on NVIDIA. Got the move in my favor. So it's got me back in the green. Now it's really just a question of 203. Yeah. 203, maybe 85 potentially. Keep an eye on that. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, watching 231.35 here on NVIDIA. For a potential short in at 231.44. Let's see if this candle wants to come down. Ideally make a break down below 231. So right there, quick little scalp. Let's come over here to Tesla. Now that one I did want to pull everything out of that one. So that was not a mistake. In fact, let me alert this. Tesla 203 short stop 204 1 minute. So in the chat room there, alerting a 203 short with a stop of 204. Let's Check out coin. So let's see, now up 270. So with commissions, I don't know, let's just call it 260. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. I'll get back to my results in just a second, but yeah, I'm going to do a quick little sales pitch here. But yeah, if you're wondering, okay, Clay, I see you were showing those alerts and all that good stuff, but like, where do I join your community? Just go to claytrader.com/team, a couple different choices there. And this is not $99 per month. It's for 3 months. So $99 for 3 months, or if you do it for an entire year, you technically get 3 months free because it's only $297. So yeah, if you're interested in more and where you can trade alongside me and other traders, get those sorts of alerts that, like I said, you literally saw here play out, then you can just go to claytrader.com/team. And I am going to go ahead and wrap things up. So did not make any other trades. Actually stepped away from the computer for a little while. So not too bad. I'm up 270, like I said, with commissions, call it 250. And, you know, not too bad. Last trade was out at 941. So let's just call it 15 minutes. I'll take $250 in 15 minutes. I'm not a greedy savage, especially after that first trade, which was just very frustrating. But it just goes to show that, you know what? Yeah, that happens. Manage your risk. In this situation, it would have been just fine to be undisciplined. But if you've traded long enough, then I'm sure you've had those moments where you're undisciplined. And then you look back and say, you know, I should have been disciplined because the loss that I'm looking at right now would have been so much smaller. So yes, in that situation, I didn't need to take it, but I kept the risk controlled. And then you saw the very next trade, even with a mistake, still brought myself back to green and then added in that final quick little scalp one. But like I said, I'm going to move on with my day. So not too bad. 15 minutes, $250. I'm happy with it. And again, if you want to get those sorts of alerts, join me and other, you know, very quality traders. Then just go to claytrader.com/team. So if you enjoy these live trades, hit that like button, leave a simple comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.